One of the more common conditions we treat is toenail fungus. The fungus that causes the toenail infections is generally the same fungus that causes athlete's foot, but it's much more difficult to treat because instead of being in the outer layers of skin, it's deeply embedded into the nail. The nail may be yellow, brown, white, brittle, maybe crumbling, it may be lifting up off the nail bed, and sometimes it can be very painful and lead to other problems such as ingrown nails and even blisters and open sores under the toenails. So it is a condition that we want to treat, we don't want to ignore. There's a whole gamut of treatments available. One of the first things we do after evaluating people is actually trim and thin the nails, which removes a lot of the dead nail debris and the fungus, but also makes people more comfortable and reduces the risk of these other problems. So the treatments for the nail fungus range from topical medications, such things as creams, which don't tend to penetrate well into the nail, to prescription medications like Jublia and Caridin that are on the market, but they're not covered by all plans. When they are covered, they do work fairly well. We have a medicine here called Formula 3 that works well in taking care of the fungal nails also. There's an oral medication called Lamisil that's been out on the market for quite a number of years and shown to be very efficacious, very successful, but also very safe to use for the toenail fungus. And sometimes more than one treatment option is necessary, particularly stubborn cases. There are other options such as laser nail therapy. We have the Q-Clear laser nail machine here that, again, in conjunction with topicals, orals, it does a very nice job at killing some of the toenail fungus. It'll actually penetrate through the nail and superheat and kill the fungal cells without damaging the person's own cells. And it's generally a series of 3 treatments with that. So when we have these stubborn cases, we tend to do multiple therapies to try to treat the nail fungus. You can ask the doctors here about more options and how to treat fungus.